So my name is Ruiz, and I'm a senior at TAF Saghalie. So the reason why I chose this project is because when you're talking to people who don't know their rights, and as well as a lot of school staff is unaware how they can help their own students. I'm going to be doing my second workshop for students to help them feel prepared and know just the rights of all undocumented people regardless of their own status. My parents did come from Mexico to be able to provide me and my siblings a good life and have better education. So it's really close to heart where I'm able to be aware of my own parents' rights and be aware of family members' rights. I did have to use Mr. O'Malley, and he's been someone who really pushed me out of my comfort zone. I was unable to speak in front of class before, being unable to even say a word to anyone. But he really pushed me to give out my opinions and be able to just let out whatever I'm feeling inside. That way I was able to push myself and give myself opportunities I wouldn't have before if I never would have left my comfort zone. It was nice to have someone who was different and was more like you and who had more of a story similar to yours, where their parents might have come from a different country. So it was really nice to just have that connection with someone who understands what kind of family you come from, what kind of culture you come from.